little misfire on that coil there on the rear cylinder. It's not burning hot like the front is. You have to swap that coil out. Roll out the ignition. At least I know it runs and I got the cam timing right and got oil pressure. Definitely needs, got a little misfire there. Need to swap that coil out, but so far so good. No oil leaks now. And had to take the battery out of the other bike because the battery for this thing was, well, the battery I had was shot. It wasn't even for this bike, but it was shot. It was like a shop battery. So I have to pick up another battery for this one or the other one. I'll just have to pick up another battery. Sounding all right. It's not how I normally like to do it. I like to let it get all the way up to operating temperature and let it run until the heads are good and hot, and then let it cool off. The rings break in almost immediately on these things. Anyway, she's running, and appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate the new subscribers. Hope everybody has a fantastic week. Thanks for tuning in.